I want to make a quick video concerning searching the system. Anytime you have a job, a contact, a lead, or anything put into the system, you're going to invariably need to search for them. The easiest way to search for any of this information is by going over here to the search bubble. In this case, I'm going to type in Dan. If you notice beside the actual magnifying glass, you have a drop down. You can search leads, customers, jobs, accounts, any and all information. In this case, I'm going to choose all and hit enter. Please note it has to be white, which shows that it's active. Now, the layout seems like it's a little funky here, but let me just walk you through this quickly. First of all, you have matching customers and contacts. In this case, you'll see the one I was actually looking for is on the top of the list, this one here, Dan Taylor. In order to access this contact, what I need to do is click through on Daniel Taylor in order to get access. You'll notice at the same time, there are a couple of other ones in here that are similar, have a DA in it somewhere or a T, up it pops. You'll also notice there's matching jobs. For example, Repair Taylor, there's a Trepto job. And then in addition to that, we have follow-up calls and matching events. We also have matching calls and matching notes. In many cases, it's better to just choose under your search layout what the detail you're looking for. Jobs, customers, leads. Now I'm just going to go back here and run this again. Makes it a lot cleaner. We just see the matching jobs and the matching customers and contacts. Now again, to pull through, I click here, I get access directly to the contact. If I go back a screen again to the search results, I click through here on the repair for Taylor, you'll find again, here's access directly to the job itself. So I'm going to click back for a second. And that's just a quick overview of how to use your search function. I'm going to add on to this two other things here in the start bar. First of all, new leads, new contacts, anything new can be created by using this plus sign in the top corner of your screen. Essentially what you need to do is go in, use your new lead, customer, contact, job, task, however you so choose, and you can choose something new from there. Directly beside this, you'll see that there's a calendar screen. This calendar can be used and synchronized with your Google Apps calendar and with other calendars within the system. In this case, this one's predominantly blank. There's a couple of ones in here. For example, Karen Gibson's listed here from 6 p.m. onwards on the 20th of May. There are some other items in here. When you look at the calendar itself, typically what you'll find is anything with a, and I'll show you on the month view. On the month view, you can see everything that's set up and ready to go. You break it down to week, it'll show the week information. Then in addition to that, you can do it by the day as well and see the actual day information based on the day that you're on. In this case, if I move to the 19th, here we go. So that's a quick breakdown of the calendar view and the search function. One final thing is on setup. This is very important to go through. First of all, under your personal settings, what you need to do is go into your personal settings and make sure that your information is in here correctly. For example, if you see under here where there's the edit, we want to make sure the main phone number is in correctly. In this case, there's a backwards listing. So I'm just going to correct that right now. You don't have to put things such as street or date of birth or other information like that, but it is very helpful to have things such as the address, putting country and city as well as website. Main phone should be added in here, but this is something definitely you want to leave up to yourself as an individual user. Two other points on here. Email settings. We're not going to touch the POP3, but we will be using the BCC Dropbox. And I'm going to review that a little further in another email. That's just a quick overview of search, calendar, and other functions. I'll be following up on some other points in a future video.